Hey everybody, how are you doing today? My name's Ollie and welcome to Let's Play Harrier. I'm just gonna play it.
Daddy, go! The little one is but the daddy
Duckies.
Down
towards a killer.
Daddy, how do you? Oh, Daddy,
The rabbit is going to kill everybody. Go.
Oh, that was serious.
Random, not so useful advice. When you're on foot, you're vulnerable. Thank God while rabbits can jump. Yeah. Yes, of course it's one player, Jake. What do you think?
That.
Go on, Jacob, dance. Load.
Loaded.
Yay! I am in hell. Great, an elevator to nowhere. Okay, you can pause and read that if you want to. Woohoo!
Oh, you got that one.
Ow! I'm dead. I'm dying already. That's a great start. Blah 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 blah. Hi, Nesta. Skip. Done. Whee! Bums! Poi. Haha, the prince is naked. You're naked. Wait, what? Who dares? All he's wearing is a Viking helmet. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Hi, ball thing. Jacob, shush. Jacob, come on. Okay. Money. Blah 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 blah. Hey Nesta, any more annoying teachers to say? No sir, but I have given you death ever. Blah blah blah. Even better break. Wait a second. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm invincible now. Dead. Yay! Dead. I like this one more. That is really good.
I like it too.
Don't like the what? Yeah, I'm flying. Jacob, you can fly now. I can fly. Ow. Okay, I'm not invincible yet. Oh God. Okay, it's a poo with a chainsaw. Let's kill that poo chainsaw man. Jacob, did you see that? I got killed by a poo with a chainsaw there. Okay, let's kill him here. I want all that money. Money! Don't know what the money's for. You're dead. Bye. Ooh, monster index. Poi. And Splatter Saw, which is, I call him Poo with the Chainsaw. Hi, Mr. Krabs. It's Mr. Krabs with one eye. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yay, meats and sushi for everybody. Oh no, crabs don't make sushi, do they? Okay, let's do this. Yay! Yeah! I want to kill more monsters. It says the 2 monsters in there. No, Nesta, you're annoying. You gave me this awesome spiky thing one time, but you're annoying. Oh, King Crabstick. La 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 la. It's a brain! Jacob, it's Brainiac. I'm going to call him Brainiac. Brainiac. Revenge of the Electric Brain. Ooh, hello, Mrs. Fountain. Are you a fountain? Yay! Okay. Boom! Look who it is. It's Rockito John. I'm going to call you Rockito John. Stop shooting me, Rockito John. I will shred you up and serve you. I'm a bomb. Hi. Who was that? That was Mikey Coral. I'm just going to call him Explosive Jack. I had a name of him earlier, but I completely forgot it. So that is Explosive Jack. No, I don't, Jacob. I think that's a boss level.
That's a boss level.
Let's go down here. Yeah, there's something down here. Let's just get through all of this stuff. Is that the shop? Yes, press X to waste money. Let's waste all my money. Top. Yay, thanks for your money. That looks awesome. Okay, I'm just messing around now. What do I need? Missiles by me. I've got a gun. Hi, I'm going to shred you up. No, what? No, I just wanted to shred you up. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, I've got a rocket launcher. I was actually right. Okay. Woo, carrot power. Okay, what now? I know the boss level. Yay! Now I can fail at this boss level. Or is this the demo? I can't remember. Whee! God, this game is so arcade-like. Ooh, boss level. It's a boss level. I never got as far as that blue blobby guy, so let's do this. No! 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 Would you like me to start some scary sounds too? Awesome! That's a bit too scary. I don't like you. So that was a demo. Okay, that's it for today's gameplay. Thank you so much for watching. And that is it. Bye. And